corpse, one civilian hurt in Imphal City IED blast. Huge quantity of rice meant for Anganwadi centers allegedly sold off. And 14 students injured in Guwahati bus collision. Hello, this is Times of Manipur and you're watching the news at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. 5 police personnel, including an additional superintendent of police and 1 civilian, sustained injury when a powerful bomb suspected to be an IED exploded near Sani Mandir located at busy Thangal Bazaar under Imphal City this morning at around 9:20. As per reports, some vehicles were also damaged by the impact of the explosion. The injured police personnel were identified as Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Imphal West, Lamabam Amarjit, Sub-Inspector Thongam Diwan, ASI Ningthaujam Ibotom Singh, ASI Khuraijam Boni and Constable Hurongbam Boboy. The civilian was identified as Krishna Gurung of Pangai Nepali Basti. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh along with the team of police officials rushed to the site to take stock of the situation. No groups have claimed responsibility. It may be noted that a high-intensity IED was exploded at Imphal's telepathy of Imphal East on the night of November 2nd, last injuring 3 BSF Jawans. A large quantity of ration rice meant for main Anganwadi and mini Anganwadi centers have been reportedly sold off allegedly by 3 local firms in cathoots with the concerned department. According to a reliable information received by TOMTV, 3 firms, namely MSRK and Co. MSBLL Agency and MSBLL Enterprises, were given permits to sell around 50,000 quintals of rice under a secret deal with the Under-Secretary Manipur Government, Khoshoni Fimu, in May of 2019. The information also maintained that the ration rice was meant for distribution to Anganwadi centers across the state under the wheat-based nutrition program. As many as 14 students have been injured after a Delhi public school Guwahati bus collided with another vehicle in Guwahati this morning. According to sources, bus number 7 of the Delhi public school Guwahati collided with bus number 56 in National Highway 37 near the Lalunggaon area in Guwahati. The 14 injured students have been rushed to Excel Care Hospital in Guwahati city. All of them are undergoing treatment. As per the eyewitnesses, the Delhi public school buses were on their way to the school carrying students when a person ran across the highway and the bus had to apply brakes immediately. Following this, the bus behind it also stopped but could not control the vehicle and ultimately collided with the vehicle in front, leading to injury of the students including the driver. As part of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, the District Administration Imphal East in collaboration with DPO ICDS Cell Imphal East today launched and distributed e-slates for Anganwadi centers in Imphal East. The event was held at Panchayat Bhavan DC Office Complex, Porompat, Imphal. Rajya Sabha MP Shetri Mayum Bhavananda Singh, Social Welfare Director N.G. Uttam and Imphal East Deputy Commissioner Dr. Rangita Bali Waikom attended the function. The East slate was sponsored by Rastamji Kerawala Foundation. Now we have a short commercial break, but coming up next, 21st edition of GOHOTI Book Fair underway. More after the break.
Luhongbagi furniture set kaloinana style and style amadi local almira phambiragani. Furniture set ama laibada fian ama lemna hapchari loinana ningol chakobagi akhannabu offer su pizari. Bed, dining table, office table, sofa, almirah, fridge, asina chingba kudimak phangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsen biro steel decor. Sagol Bantera Akamlikai, Imphal, Manipur. Contact number 96121670042 Natraga 8794714511.
Welcome back. The 21st edition of Northeast Book Fair is underway at the playground of the Assam Engineering Institute located at Chandmari. The book fair, which began from November 1st, will continue till November 12th. It is organized by the All Assam Publishers and Booksellers Association. Like every year, the organizing committee dedicates this book fair in the name of famous personalities, educationists and scholars of the region. A special program will be held today in memory of legendary music maestro Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. There will be a series of seminars and interaction programs during the 12-day-long fair. As many as 217 bookstalls, including one from Bangladesh, are being put up at the fair.
Like so, anong jam lay lakot dito, kano so customer so na, jam lay. Mong hangi, ato so mong putok na alibing putok ko tiba. Ato ni siling hay dala ko. Do ate po tawo sini book fair like mila hiti mila ni na. Chuna mo thambani ngam da stall summa cha lay ni na. Nang saw lo ngam jaw je ba. Ni na han gi bai da. So ma thang chai choi nai kan saw gen jaw kan jari.
A 4-day-long mega cultural and literary youth extravaganza on the theme Ek Bharat Shresth Bhalabhai Patel was held in New Delhi from October 3rd till November 3rd. The event was attended by more than 2,000 students and teachers from 25 Kendriya Vidyalayas across the country. Different stalls showcasing Manipuri arts were also put up during the mega event. Northeast Institute of Fashion Technology organized a 2-day Mega Northeast Festival at DLF Palace, New Delhi from October 2nd to 3rd. The festival was held under the theme Celebrating Northeast. In a fashion show which was held as part of the event, designer Robert Naurem from Manipur showcased his collection, in which Manipuri film actress Bala Hijam attended as the showstopper.
My more idea is that, being a fashion designer or being a fashion stylist, I don't want to get out of the tradition, what we have already. So, being into the tradition culture, people will follow that as a trend.
Meghalaya Chief Minister CONRAD Sangma is going for a 3-day visit to Bangladesh today. His trip is a part of the Act East policy taken up under the Government of India. In connection to this, the young leader said that he, along with his officials, will go by road to feel an experience of what Bangladeshi nationals feel. CONRAD Sangma added the visit aims in deepening cooperation in tourism sector, strengthening agri-HOTI value chains, expanding border trade and other areas. Another short commercial break, but stay tuned for more news.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana Kangla gi ano food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi do kana bulai bi.
Kangla.
Welcome back. Global trade barriers must be removed and countries should uphold basic multilateral trade principles while standing firm against protectionism, Chinese President Xi Jinping said today. According to media reports, speaking at the opening China International Import Expo, an annual import show in Shanghai that kickstarted today, Xi said more must be done to boost international cooperation and remove barriers to innovation. He reiterated broad pledges to continue to open China's economy and markets and strengthen protection of intellectual property rights. Turkey captured the sister of dead ISIS leader Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi on Monday in the northern Syrian town of Azaz, along with her husband and daughter-in-law Rashmia Awad. 65 was detained in a raid near Azaz, Turkish-controlled Syrian town near the border, officials said. When captured, she was also accompanied by 5 children. Baghdadi killed himself last month when cornered in a tunnel during a raid by US Special Forces in northwestern Syria. ISIS, in an audio tape posted online, confirmed that its leader had died and vowed revenge against the United States. Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan's communications director said the women's capture was evidence of Turkey's determination to fight against ISIS. Now let's have a look at the sports news. PV Sindhu was knocked out after losing in a close contest to Pai Yu Po in a round of 32 in China Open Super 750 yesterday. PV Sindhu lost the first game 13-21, but in the second game, Sindhu came back to take the second game 21-18. In the final game, Indian shuttler was trailing at the mid-break and she tried to reduce the deficit but eventually lost the final game 19-21. After her World Championships gold medal, Sindhu has failed to reach finals in 5 straight tournaments. PV Sindhu excited China Open Super 1000 in second round in September, while she excited the Korea Open in the first round. In Denmark Open, Sindhu could only reach second round, and her best performance since her historic win came when she reached quarterfinals of French Open. Earlier in the day, India's HS Pranoy also lost his first round match to Denmark's Rasmus Gemke in straight games. And now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Center working on financial package for Nagaland. Center likely to sign pact with 4 Northeast rebel groups. Employees threaten cease work strike. KONRAD Manipur clarifies on Ministry of Home Affairs directive. Alert sit-in protests continue across the state. CPI 6 dead for consultation. Ruling MLAs confer on Naga talks, many absent. The People's Chronicle. Ruling parties urge center to consult stakeholders. Education Department to offer chopper ride to students. Paresh Barua calls Muiva a traitor. Chief Minister unaware of more troops in state, says Kokumi leader. Government of India must hear Kuki voices, says Kuki in Manipur. Imphal Free Press. State legislators discuss possible outcome of Naga peace talks. 15 MLAs stay away from meeting. Be pragmatic. Calls special assembly session on Naga peace talks, says CPI. Kabui community extends solidarity to Kokumi's movement. High Court directs police to ensure safe return of banished family to village. Extrajudicial killing. Court fixes dead for hearing. The Morning Bell. Large chunk of Anganwadi rice sold illegally by transport contractors. Is the government aware? Government may accept Naga Museum demand, so casing 70 years of struggle. Extrajudicial killing. Court to hear CBI in regard of involvement of Indian Army personnel. Manipur Police Department clarifies. Minister Jayantakumar unveils statue of Kharam Maichau Thadoi. Manipur Mail. India not to join RCEP trade. Kharam Maichau Thadoi statue unveiled. Nothing to do with 17 disqualified MLAs, says Karnataka CM.
Now the top headlines once again. Five cops, one civilian hurt in Imphal City IED blast. Huge quantity of rice meant for Anganwadi centers allegedly sold off. And 14 students injured in Guwahati bus collision. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.